In this video, I'm going to show you how to record sound in MP3 using the built-in sound recorder and Audacity. Usually, when you record sound for voiceovers, you can use the built-in sound recording software, or you can download the Audacity software free online. First off, let's record sound using the sound recorder. It's really straightforward. Just open Sound Recorder and you will see something like this. Next, to record sounds, just click Start Recording, and as you can see, the software is recording your voice as you speak. After you've finished recording, simply click Stop Recording, and a window will appear prompting you to save your recording. Let's go ahead and save this, but first you can also select where you want to save this, and in this case, I've selected to save it on the desktop. And there you go, the recording is now successfully saved. The second recording software I'm going to show you is Audacity. You can find this online and download it for free. After you've downloaded and installed the software, open it, and you'll see something like this. This will be the main interface on which you can record or edit the sounds. On the top left portion of the screen, you can see 6 buttons, which are Pause, Play, Stop, Skip to Start, Skip to End, and Record. To start recording sounds using Audacity, simply click the Record button, and you'll see the software recording your voice. After you have finished recording, click Stop to stop the recording. To replay what you have recorded, click Play again. And to stop it, click Stop. After you're satisfied with everything, you can go ahead and save it. Click on File, and then Export, and then select MP3 as the file you want to save. At this point, you can also select where you want the file to be saved, and in this case, I selected Desktop. Click Save. Then a new window will appear, prompting you to insert the details of the sound clip you have created just now. The fields are artist name, track title, album title, track number, year, genre, and comments. You can fill these out if you want. After that, you can go ahead and click OK. So there you have it. That was how you record sounds in MP3. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record high-quality audio. Having your sound clips in high quality is essential because it will help the overall quality of your sound clips, which will be very important when you do voiceovers for modules or videos. There are 3 main components that play a big part in ensuring you record the highest quality audio possible, and they are the environment, the recording device, and your voice. The first component is the environment. It's important that you do your recording in the most conducive environment possible. This is because ambient sounds like traffic, conversations, the hums and buzzes from the air conditioning and fans could reduce your recording quality. For home recording, it is best to have a special room for recording purposes. However, if you don't have it, a quiet room with sound-absorbing objects inside will work too. The objects can be a closet, paneling, wood boards, beds, chairs, sofas, shelves, and curtains. This is to reduce echo bouncing from the walls, floor, and ceiling, which can reduce the recording quality. You can also invest in making a special booth for recording. However, if you think that buying a ready-made recording booth to be too expensive, there are lots of videos online that can teach you how to build your own recording booth at home. The second component is the recording device. This is the most obvious component. No recording can be done without a recording device like microphones or specialized sound recorders. As you may have known, to get high-quality voice, you must go for the premium devices, which unfortunately are very expensive. Some microphones and recording devices may cost thousands of dollars. Don't fret, however. There are actually very affordable microphones that produce very high-quality sound. One such example is the Blue Microphones Yeti. This is because it has studio-quality sound recording, which is a big plus if you want high-quality audio. It's also very affordable. You can get this online for lower than $150. The third is also the biggest advantage, its plug-and-play properties. You just simply plug into any USB port on your computer, do some simple settings, and you're ready to record. The third component is the source of the sound itself, which is your voice. The main goal of voice recording is to produce crisp, clear sound recordings with a clear voice. If this cannot be achieved, you may find that your recordings are less than satisfactory. During recording, it's worth it if you speak slower. Basically, you slow down a bit from your usual speaking speed. This is because when we speak naturally, we have no interruptions in our speeches compared to recording. Even with a script, you may find yourself stumbling around and speaking in a very unclear way if you try to speak too fast from a script. This brings me to the third point, which is practice. Before doing the final recording, I highly recommend you do 2 to 3 practice recordings and hear them back. This way you can fine-tune your voice, tone, and speed, ensuring the final recording to be your best. The biggest thing that can help you here is a script, which will help you with your speech and ensure a smooth recording session. So there you have it. That was how you can improve your sound recording and produce high-quality audio all the time, every time.